Have you ever noticed at your office that when an instruction is being passed, some set of people will always want to do things their own way? The process of doing things their own way is what is referred to as manipulating the management. And what is management? Management is government. What is government? Government is power and authority. And what makes power relevant is authority. What is authority? Authority is power backed by law. And what is law? What is right? I want you to think about this for 3 seconds. Which of this is greater, power or law? Yes, law. Everything works according to law. If you decide to disobey a law, you are automatically obeying another law. God, the supreme government and greatest politician of all times, gave his command, which is known as policy in modern politics, to Joshua by saying, "This book of law shall not depart from your mouth, but you shall meditate on it day and night, so that you may be careful to do according to all that is written in it. For then you will make your way prosperous, and then you will have good success." Every country has its own unique laws, and what is legal in one country might be illegal in another country. For example, in Saudi Arabia, taking alcohol is totally illegal, while in the USA, you can take alcohol when you reach the age of 21 and above. God gave his laws to Joshua to meditate day and night. And what does meditate mean in politics? Meditate means to study to become. Who you have become in politics determines the success of the nation you govern. God faced Joshua because he was the number one politician in his country, of which the whole people looked up to. And what God prioritized most is the law. And before you give a politician your vote, what should come to your mind is this: can I trust this person with the law without manipulating it to suit his interest or the interest of some set of people? If the wrong person gets into power, the number one thing he will go for is the law of the country. In politics, who controls the laws of the nation controls the nation. And one interesting fact about law is this: its goal is to make you successful in any way you interpret it. Law is your life. Law are policies. Laws are what politicians all over the world are fighting for. If anybody can get hold of the law and manipulate it, they can easily control the resources of the nation. And what controls human behavior are resources. If things are not going on well in your country, check your laws. Are they being interpreted the way they are supposed to be, or they are being manipulated? Laws affect prayers. Laws determine the answer to your prayers. If there is one thing I will advise you about to die for, is this: die for what is right, which is the definition of law. If you like the video you just watched now, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video.